Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I will introduce a popular app. It's called PayPal Pay, Send and Save. So basically this is a financial application where you can uh, do your banking function. So you can see here the name of the app. It's called PayPal Pay, Send and Save. If you see here the ratings, 4.2 out of 5 and 3.72 million reviews. It means 3.7 million plus already read something, and here you can see more than 10 million plus people already download this app. So let's see the main feature about this app. So you can see here their main feature, earn 5% back in rewards, send money securely, pay in full and manage payments. So you can see here unlock rewards, buy, hold, sell crypto. You can also sell crypto through this application. Manage your subscription. You can manage subscription through PayPal. Save smarter. You can save some dollar here. Track your package. So that's it. And if you want to learn more about this app, go this section about this app. Then you can see here the main feature: save offers in app, send and request money for free, get 5% cashback. So many things is available here. You can try, and if you want to learn more about this app, you can read the people reviews. Like people give the reviews here, like many people give the good ratings, like and they talk about this app. So you can try, and hopefully you already install this. So thank you.